Hi guys, good evening and a very warm welcome to today's session. I can see some of you have already joined us here. A very good evening everyone. I hope you guys are doing well and your preparations are going good too. Well, today's session, as you know, is the 11th mock that we have, right? So we have already done some 10 mocks for this RRB PO. Today is the 11th day for this particular series. So again, we will be having a look at different sorts of questions that you can come across in your upcoming examination. Okay. So chalo, let's quickly start the session, but before that, one very small request to everybody, that is please share the stream once with your friends as well, right? तो जल्दी से सबके साथ एक बार शेयर कर दो स्ट्रीम को, ताकि सबको पता चल जाए कि क्लास शुरू हो गई है, right? So just share it with everyone. Shrudanshu, very good evening everyone. I hope everybody is doing well. So chalo, let's start the session. Okay, are we ready for some questions? तो चलो let's start it, right? But before that, I hope everybody has already downloaded the app here. Sandeep, Sneha, good evening Darshini, good evening everyone. So everybody has downloaded the app and also you have subscribed to the official YouTube channel of Oliveboard, right? So if you have not downloaded the app, go to Play Store and download it. और अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है Oliveboard को YouTube पे, so do subscribe for regular updates and classes. Sneha, Abhishek, very good evening everyone. So chalo, also I hope everybody is aware that we have a very nice sale going right now. So you are getting a very good discount right now, 40% on all the combo plans and 55% on all the courses, right? So if you purchase a particular course, that is separate course, you get a discount of 55%. और अगर combo plans ले रहे हो, that is your super elite or light, then you will be getting a 40% off. और वो कैसे मिलेगा? Your super code, that is Nikita. So use your super code Nikita to avail the maximum discounts on anything on Oliveboard, right? अगर Oliveboard पे कुछ भी अभी purchase करना है, this is the best time for it. Okay, so chalo, ready for the questions everybody? Ready? शुरू करें? So the first question is there on your screen. Quickly try this out. This is unknown number of persons seated in here. You have to tell me how many persons are seated in this particular arrangement. तो जल्दी से इसको solve करो और let me know what will be the answer here. Try this out. A good question here. Check this. Yes, all are facing north. Okay, that sentence is missing. I guess the first two sentence, that a certain number of persons are seated in a row facing north, is missing. Yes, facing north. Okay, everybody is facing north here. So you have to make the arrangement as per north facing. Okay, so try it out and let me know what should be the number of persons in here. Okay, जल्दी से इसका आंसर बताओ कितने लोग बैठे हैं. Good evening, Anand. Okay, so here we have the first answer. Kavita says it should be 22. Kavita, absolutely great work. Good speed here, and 22 would be the right answer. Kalyan, very good evening. So 22 is absolutely right. Okay, so we will quickly check how this has to be done. ठीक है, इसको जल्दी से try करते. Let's have a look at this particular question, that how do we complete this. Shutanshu, absolutely 22 would be absolutely right. Okay, so let's quickly check it out. Let me remove myself from the screen and let's have a look at this particular question. 22 is absolutely right. Sneha, Abhishek, good job guys. Let's see. So it is given, if you check this particular question out, there is one very important hint, that is number of persons standing to the right of A are twice as that of the number of persons standing to the left of A, and the total number of persons standing in a row are less than 25. Harika, very good evening. That means, let's say if this is the row and this is your A, so the number of persons towards the left of A, if it is X, the number of persons to the right of A should be 2X. So you can see the total number of persons should be 2X plus 1. Okay, so let's say if the question is giving you number of persons, right? Let's say the question is how many persons are there. So one is 18, let's say the second is 20, the third is 22, fourth is let's say 25, right? 24 let's say, and fifth is let's say 17, right? So these are some values that they have given. Let's take an example. So here you could have solved and given the answer as per just by giving having a look at this one, because there is only one option which is fulfilling the criteria, right? So you can see that whatever is the number, that should have been 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's check. So A is second to the left of G. Let's draw this. A is second to the left of G. Okay. Now 3 persons are there between G and the one who likes red color. So you can see there can be 2 possibilities. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3. This can be your red. And similarly 1, 2, 3. This can be your red. Okay. These are the 2 possible cases that we can have. Now it is given 4 persons are standing between red and C, and also it is given C is not adjacent to G. Sakshi, absolutely. So you can see that you cannot place your C here because C cannot be a neighbor of G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be your C because there have to be 4 persons between red and C. Okay, and in the second case you will see 1, 2, 3 and 4, this will be your C, right? You can see this, these are the 2 arrangements that we are getting. Now have a look at the last line. It says C is standing at one of the extreme ends. That means this is the extreme end and this is the extreme end. So in the first case, how many persons are there towards the right of A? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are having 11 persons to the right of A, which is not a possibility because we know that it has to be 2 times of something. We cannot have 5.5 persons towards the left of A. 5.5 log nahi ho sakte, right? So that is why the first case will be invalid and this will be giving you the right answer here. So how many persons are there towards the left of A? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 persons are to the left of A. That means 14 persons should be there towards the right of A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So you can see the total number of persons will be 14 plus 7 plus 1. That is equal to how much? That is equal to 22. So 22 is absolutely right in here. अब यहाँ पर final answer किस तरह का बनेगा? Arrangement किस तरह का होगा? Let's quickly check it out. Okay. Shrishti, very good evening. B is standing 4th to the right of the end of the row as well as 4th to the right of white. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be your B and 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be your white here. ठीक है, ये white हो जाएगा. Okay, this person here. Now H is standing second to the left of A. This will be H. F is standing second to the left of this one. So you can see H is standing second to the left of A. F is standing second to the left of H. So F will be this person. D is standing immediate left of B. So D will be this person. So this is the final arrangement that you guys should be getting. Are we clear about this particular arrangement, guys? Please let me know if we have any doubts in here. सबको समझ में आ गया ये question? Everybody, are we clear? Everyone? ठीक है? Chalo. So we will go to the next question very quickly. Let's have a look at the next question. Let's check. Okay, so Saurabh says done. Absolutely great, Saurabh. So can you tell me who is the one who lives in Udaipur? Udaipur mein kaun hai? Who is the one who lives in Udaipur and what is the color liked by that person? Done. So you have to tell me Udaipur and the color. G is the person who lives in Udaipur and red. Okay, red will be the color. Red तो दे रखा है ना. There is one information that red is Kanpur. The one who lives in Kanpur like reds, that was given. Udaipur white is absolutely right. G white. G and white will be absolutely right, guys. So chalo, let's quickly check. And do we have any this possibility in this particular question? Do we get a possibility between two persons for any color or for any particular place? G white will be absolutely right. That's right. Chalo, let's quickly check it out, right? Let's see that how this has to be completed. Okay, so one hint is very easy, that they are living like A is on 8th floor, B is on 7th floor, right? That is mentioned in the last line here. वो तो directly mentioned है. So you can see A and C live in Mumbai and Delhi, no particular order, right? So Mumbai and Delhi, and similarly Delhi and Mumbai. Okay, yes, that will be there. We will have a possibility between Mumbai and Delhi. Now E and F live in Nagpur and Kolhapur. So E and F are Nagpur, Kolhapur. So Nagpur, Kolhapur, and similarly F also Kolhapur and Nagpur. Okay, this is also a possibility. Then it is given the one who lives in Kanpur likes red. So Kanpur and red, this is one thing that we need to place, Kanpur and red. Then we have Raipur and blue. Okay, this is another one, another group that we have, that is Raipur and blue. Okay, neither D nor H likes blue. So you can see D does not like blue and H also does not like blue. So you can see either B or G will be the one who will be in this Raipur and blue. Okay, now let's see what is given. It is mentioned that G likes white. So if G likes white, that means he cannot be the person who likes blue and is Nagpur. So that means B has to be your Nagpur, Raipur, right? So B has to be your Raipur and your blue. Okay, so Raipur and blue will be like this. Okay, okay. Now what is given? Let's check. The one who lives in Pune likes green. So Pune can be D or H. So you can see Pune and green will be one combination that we will place later. After that, either A or C likes yellow. So you can see either A likes yellow or C likes yellow. So we will place that later. Okay? Either C or E likes violet. So you can see violet can be here or violet can be here. Okay? Either E or F likes black. So you can see black can be here or black can be here. Right? These are the possibilities. Now either F or A likes orange. So either F likes orange, okay, or A likes orange. Okay. Now it is given the one who likes orange and blue have their names as consecutive alphabets. So orange and blue should be consecutive. You can see this is your blue. So that means orange has to be here. So this will be your orange. If this is your orange, that means this has to be your yellow, right? Because yellow can be there in A or C. That means this has to be your yellow. And if this is yellow, that means this has to be your violet, because violet के लिए यही दोनों options थे. That means this will be your violet. And if this is violet, that means this has to be your black. Okay. So we have got the colors now. Colors तो मिल गए. ठीक है. Now we have to place your Pune green. Raipur blue is already placed, so let's remove this, and Kanpur has to be red. So you can see either D or H has to be that, right? Let's check. आगे दे रखा है क्या? The one who likes red and yellow have their names in consecutive order. So red and yellow have to be consecutive. That means this has to be red. And red के साथ कौन है? That means Kanpur will be here. If Kanpur is here, you can see that Pune green will go in H, right? So that means this person will be Pune and he will be in green. Okay, this is your Pune green. And now what is given? This one, that is the one who lives in Nagpur and the one who lives in Udaipur live on consecutive floors. You can see every other state, every other place is already taken, only Udaipur is remaining. So that means Udaipur has to be here, right? So if this is Udaipur, that means you can see Udaipur and Nagpur have to be on consecutive floors. That means this person will be Nagpur here, and if this is Nagpur, that means this person will be Kolhapur. So this is the final arrangement that you guys should be getting. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Please let me know if we have any doubts in here. Yes, Neha, this was a good puzzle. I hope clear to everyone. Please let me know any doubts, anybody. किसी को थोड़ा सा भी डाउट हो प्लीज बताइएगा. एवरीवन क्लियर? समझ में आ गया ना सबको? इजी सा पजल था, राइट? इज जस्ट अबाउट मिक्स एंड मैच ऑफ द वेरिएबल्स हियर. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस वन. चेक दिस आउट. हाँ, ए एंड सी में आइदर और रहेगा. श्रुतांशु, यू कैन सी ए एंड सी कैन बी मुंबई एंड दिल्ली, राइट? सो मुंबई दिल्ली में वी विल हैव आइदर और. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस वन. So check this out and let me know which are the bikes and which are the cars here. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. Check this out. A very easy question. This is also a good question here. Try this out. So if you guys are liking the questions, thoda sa like button daba do yaar. Only 19 people have liked the session as of yet. So you need to name the cars here, right? Whatever are the cars and whatever are the bikes, वो आपको मुझे बताना है that which of the following is a car, which of the following is a bike. Okay, Darshini says WVUZY. So WVUZ and Y are cars. Absolutely, Darshini, that's right. Great job here, Darshini. Harika also has completed. Shrutanshu also done. Great job, guys. Absolutely great work. That's the right answer that you are getting, right? So WVUZY will be car. That's absolutely right. So let's quickly understand how this has to be done, right? That's absolutely right, guys. तो चलो जल्दी से देखते हैं. So you can see that there are 5 cars and 5 bikes parked in a circular area. Now they are PQ to Z. V is parked between 2 cars. T is the only bike. Now have a look at this. T is the only bike which is parked between 2 cars, and T is parked opposite to V. Let's say this is your T here, right? Let's take this as T. So T is placed opposite to V, and T is the only bike. So you can see this is a bike. So T is the only bike which is parked between 2 cars. That means this has to be a car and this has to be a car. Okay, now what is given? V is parked between 2 cars. That means this is a car and this is a car. Can anybody tell me what should be V here? V क्या होगा? We know that T is the only bike that is between two cars, and because this is also a car and this is also a car, that means V has to be a bike here, a car here. Why? Because only one bike is there which is between two cars, and that is your T. That means there cannot be any other bike which is between, that is neighboring two cars here. Okay, that means this has to be a car here. ये bike तो हो नहीं सकता. That means V has to be a car. ठीक है? I hope this is clear. Now let's see what is mentioned. P is a bike which is placed fourth to the left of S. Okay, we'll place that. And two vehicles are there between your S and V. So let's try. Let's say if we place your S here, मान लो S को यहाँ पर place किया. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be your P. But P is a bike here. But this is P car. That means this is invalid. So you will have to place your S here towards the left side of V. Okay, so you will see that S will be here towards the left side of V. So you can see S यहाँ पर आ गया. ठीक है? So two vehicles between S and V. So S has to be towards the left of V. Now what was given? P is a bike which is fourth to the left of S. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your P here and this is a bike here. Okay. Now if this is a bike and this is a car, that means this cannot be car, right? The one that is towards the immediate left of P cannot be a car because we already have one bike, that is T, between two cars. So you can see this has to be a bike. ये आपका bike ही होगा. Okay. You can see this will be bike. Okay. Don't worry Sakshi, we will check it out, right? You will see that this will be your bike here. Okay. Now what is the given? S and R are bikes. So you can see this is also a bike here. S is a bike here and they are parked together. So S and R have to be a bike and parked together. That means our bike has to be here. This will be your bike. Now what is given? Q is to the immediate right of U. The only possibility is this one, that is Q is to the immediate right of U. And Z is second to the right of Y and third to the left of W. So you can see Z is second to the right of Y. Right? Z is second to the right of Y and third to the right of W will be like this. Are we clear everybody? Please let me know if we have any doubts in here. So this will be the final arrangement that you guys will be getting. You can see the bikes are T, P, Q, R and S, right? These are the bikes here and the rest of them are cars here. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Everyone, you will be a car, right? You car आएगा स्नेहा. Okay, I hope this is clear everybody. Please let me know if we have any doubts in here. ठीक है? चलो, next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. क्यों बाइक कैसे हुआ? क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखो y साक्षी, because P is already a bike and y is already a car. So this cannot be car here. Why? Because दो cars के बीच में एक bike, that is the only T, right? T was the only bike which was between two cars. So because this was already car and this was already a bike, this cannot be car here. car करते तो फिर एक और pair बन जाता, such that we have bike between two cars. So that is why you had to keep this as a bike. ठीक है? चलो, next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. Check this out. हाँ बिल्कुल शुतांशु, सब कुछ T की वजह से ही था. It was related to T, right? That is T was the only bike that was between two cars. Yes, Neha, Q would be a bike. Chalo, try this out and give me the answer to this particular question, that which of the following chocolates was wrapped in orange wrapper? साक्षी मेरे पास इसका आंसर नहीं है. वी विल चेक इट आउट, राइट. आप सॉल्व करो पूरे को, देन वी विल सी, राइट. डोंट वरी. Okay, so Naveen says done. Great work, Naveen. What about the rest of you? Okay, so everybody is getting A perk. Perk answer आ रहा है सबका. Okay, let's check it out, right. Let's see that what should be the arrangement here. So you can see that 6 children have attended N's birthday. Each of them gave different chocolate to N in a different colored wrapping paper. The chocolates are given here, the orange, the colors are also given in here, right. Now Perk was gifted by A. So you can see Perk was gifted by A. Kit Kat was wrapped in a pink paper. So Kit Kat in a pink paper, this is a fixed information, so we will place this later. Okay. F gave the chocolate in green wrapper. So F is green. So you can see F green will be here. Okay. Now it is given E gifted a bar 1. So E has gifted a bar 1 here. So this is your bar 1. Okay. Now what is given? D gave a silk or a bonville. So D is either a silk or a bonville. Okay. Now what is given? B did not give Kit Kat. So you can see B did not give Kit Kat, and Kit Kat pink has to be a combination. That means you can see that C will be the one who must have given Kit Kat, right? That is the only possibility remaining. So you will see that Kit Kat and pink will be here. Okay, ये Kit Kat pink आ गया. Now what is given? Temptation was wrapped in yellow cover. So temptation yellow के लिए सिर्फ एक ही जगह बची है, that is your B. So this will be your temptation, okay, and this will be your yellow. I hope everybody is able to understand. Now silk was wrapped in red or purple. So you can see silk can be red or purple. So you can see silk can be here only. Why? Because this cannot be red or purple, right? और यहाँ पर silk आ नहीं सकता. That means you can see that D will be silk and your F will be bonville. I hope this is clear. Okay, so this person will be bonville here. So you can see ये आपका bonville आ गया. Okay, and silk के लिए क्या दे रखा है? Either red or purple. So red or purple. Now what is given? E did not wrap the chocolate in orange. So if E did not wrap in orange, that means orange should be Perk here. This will be your orange. And E did not wrap in orange. So you can see red, purple and red, purple. So there will be a problem between red and purple, but rest of the information can be absolutely derived. Now the question was which chocolate was wrapped in orange. You can see that's going to be your Perk. So Perk is absolutely right here. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Please let me know if we have any doubts in this question. किसी को कोई doubt हो please बताइएगा. Everybody clear? Everyone? ठीक है? चल. Next question से पहले I hope that everybody is aware of these 4 books that we have for each of the sections, right? Puzzle Mania for your good puzzles, Data Interpretation coded for your DI, English Simplified for your English, and GK Blast for all your GK related stuff, right? So you can check these books online on Amazon and Flipkart. They are absolutely great book with absolutely great content. Okay, Oliveboard is known for its content. So you can check these books online on Amazon and Flipkart. So if you are into books, that is you want the questions to be there from the book, so you can check this out. Okay, chalo, let's have a look at the next question. Next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. Check this out. चलो जल्दी से मुझे इसका आंसर बताओ. What should be the answer to this particular question? Red purple में doubt आएगा साक्षी. We will not be able to find the final answer for red purple. ठीक है, क्योंकि वहां पर red और purple के लिए कोई hint नहीं दे रखा था. Both two. Both. Okay, most of you are saying it should be both. Chalo, let's check it out, right? All 5s are hens. So all 5s are hens will be like this. No hen is a ring will be like this. and all pills are 5. So all pills are 5 will be like this. Okay. Now what is given here? All pills are hens. You can see that's absolutely right. Some hens are 5s. That's also absolutely right. So the answer has to be both 1 and 2, right? Both is absolutely right. Chalo, next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. Quickly iska answer bataiye. What should be the answer? One plus 2. Okay, Udit, absolutely. Don't worry. Just drop another message. Okay, Udit, just drop one more message. Okay, 1 and 2, some of you are getting only 2, but most of you are getting 1 and 2. So, chalo, let's quickly check it out. Let's see what should be the answer. Only a few rains are dropped. That means some rains are dropped and some rains are not dropped. Ma'am, how to tag you on Telegram groups? Sneha, you can find me on the Reasoning by Nikita. This is my group. Or you can just find Nikita Patra, right? You can send a personal message to. So find me on Telegram by the name Nikita Patra. And this is the group that we have for your reasoning, right? Reasoning by Nikita. So let's check. Only a few rains are dropped will be like this. That is, some rains are dropped and some rains are not dropped. Some drops are tear will be drawn like this. Now all drops being tear is a possibility. You can see, yes, they do not have any negative information. That is why this is absolutely right. All tears being rain is a possibility. You can see tear and rain are also independent. No direct information here. So all tears going inside rain is absolutely possible. Not a problem. Okay. Now all rains being drop is a possibility. Can all rain go inside your drop? That's not possible. Why? Because there is a certain portion of rain which should never be a part of drop, because only a few rains are dropped. So you can see this one will be invalid here. So the answer will be 1 and 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you so much, Udit. Chalo, everybody clear? Let's go to the next question very quickly. Let's have a look at this one. Check this out. Okay, Priyanka says 3. Aman none. Shutanshu 3. Swapna 3. Naveen 3. Harika 3. Kavita 3. Swapna 3. Voldemort 3. Somveer none. Sneha Nagaraju 3. Payal 3. Anaga 3. Trilok 3. Sangeet none. Sneha Shrishti 3. Pooja 3. Okay, most of you are getting the answer as only 3. Let's quickly check it out. Only a few chefs are cooked. Now be careful, here we have used the same kind of alphabet for both of them, right? So be careful. Only a few chefs are cooked means some chefs are cooked and some chefs are not cooked, right? This will be the diagram. Now all plates are cooked. So plate has to be inside cook, right? This is the diagram that we have. Now let's have a look at this one. Either 1 or 2, Abhishek. 1 and 2 both are positive. How can we have either or between first and second? You can see at least some plates are chef. You can see that's a possibility, not a definite one. Second says all chefs are plate. All chefs are plate is also a possibility, not a definite one, right? No, all chefs are plate is absolutely wrong. All chef are plate to ho hi nahi sakta, because if all chef are plate happens, then chef has to go inside your cook as well, which is not a possibility, because there is a particular portion of chef which has to stay outside your cook, right? So this is also not valid. Ye dono invalid ho gaye. All cook being plate is a possibility. Yes, you can see that all cook being plate is a possibility. Why? Because cook and plate can overlap with each other, right? None nahi hoga. Only 3 will be the right answer, because cook and plate can overlap with each other. We could have drawn the plate like overlapping with cook, right? So you can see this will be definitely right here. To have either or case, some and some not case should be there. Harika, one should be positive, other should be negative, right? So yes, you can see we do not have an either or here between first and second, because the first is also positive and the second is also positive. Please don't mistake this as a negative information. At least is normal sum. At least sum is normal sum. Okay? Chalo. Next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. Yes, that has to be same in the case of all and some not. Okay, in all and some not, the subject and predicate should be at the same position. Both, everybody, both. Chal, let's quickly check it out. A greater than equal to J. Where do we have A? You can see A to E, E to S. Then we have S to K, right, and K to J. That is how we can confirm, right? So you can see A is equal to E, E is greater than equal to S, S is equal to K, and K is greater than equal to J. You can see the signs between them is equal to and greater than equal to. So greater than equal to gets a higher priority over equal to. So this is absolutely right here. What about the second one? L greater than equal to P. Now how do we connect L to P? You can see we will have to connect it via the common variable, that is again E. So L to W, W to E, then we have to connect it via S, right? E to S and S to P. So you can see L greater than equal to W, W is greater than equal to E, E is greater than equal to S, and your S is greater than equal to P. So what will be the relation? L will be greater than equal to P. This is also true. So the answer here has to be both. Okay, both will be the right answer. Chalo, next question on your screen. Give me the answer to these two questions. What will be the answer for air, life, and what will be the code for water? Check it out. So guys, please remember that we are having a very good sale right now. अभी Oliveboard पे एक बहुत अच्छा sale चल रहा है. We are having heavy discounts on the combo plans, right? 40% off चल रहा है by using the coupon code Nikita. So if you want to purchase anything on Oliveboard, do use the coupon code Nikita, Nikita. ZWAK Air Life, okay. ZWAK everybody. ZWAK? Okay, chalo. ZWGC, Swami. Okay, Swami is getting a different answer. We'll check. Don't worry. ZWAK. Okay, mostly everyone is getting ZWAK for the first one. Okay, chalo, let's check, right? What is air, life? Where do we have air? You can see air is there in this one, and life is also here in this one, right? So if you are able to understand the one for important material, you can just find it out that whichever will be remaining, right? So let's see. Air और कहीं पर है, you can see air is there in the fourth one also, and if you compare the two, you can see air important material, life, mountain, air has earth pure. Only air is common, and what is the only thing that is common between these two? You can see ZW is common. That means air has to be ZW. And what about life here? Life किधर है? You can see life is here and life is there in the second one. Again, if you compare the two, you can see only life is common between the two. So only one thing is common, that is your AK. So you can see it has to be ZWAK. Now what about water here? Water kidhar hai? You can see water is there in the third one. And is it anywhere else? No. You can see water is an exclusive word. It has not been used anywhere else. And if you check it out, has is here, has is here. Life is already found and material is here and material is here. That means water is the only exclusive word which has not been used anywhere else. मतलब इसका जो code होगा वो भी कहीं और use नहीं हुआ होगा. So PB is here, PB is here. GC is here, GC is here. Okay. HT is here, HT has not been used anywhere else. That means it has to be HT. Okay. I hope this is clear. Everybody clear with this? So water will be HT, absolutely. ठीक है, चलो. Sakshi, be careful. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वेरी क्विकली. Okay, Sakshi says hash. Aman, Shrutanshu, Shrishti, everybody is getting hash. Naveen is getting B, copyright. Okay, almost everybody is getting hash here. That is option number C. Chalo, okay, let's quickly check it out, right? Let's see. So if all the alphabets are dropped from the arrangement, which element will be 10th from the left end after the rearrangement? So you can see we need to drop the alphabet. So apart from the alphabet, we have to calculate the special characters and the numbers, right? So we have to consider the special characters and the numbers. So you have to take 10th from the left end. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and your 10. So hash will be the right answer here. ठीक है, hash बिल्कुल सही होगा. I hope this is clear. उदित 1 नहीं होगा, 2 नहीं होगा, hash होगा. ठीक है, just be careful, you need to drop all the alphabets. तो alphabets को drop करने के बाद which of the following will be the 10th character from the left hand side? That is the question here. So that will be your hash. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वेरी क्विकली ऑन योर स्क्रीन, अगेन ऑन नंबर्स. लेट्स चेक हैश. बिल्कुल, चलिए जल्दी से इसका आंसर बताइए. वी हैव 2 क्वेश्चंस इन हियर. इट्स ओके उदित, नो वरीज नो वरीज. चलिए जल्दी से इसका आंसर बताइए. 3584. एवरीबडी गेटिंग 3584? 3584 and 9. ओके चलो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. 3584 ठीक है. 8584, 3584. Okay, 3209. Okay, don't worry, we will check it out, right? 3209 for the second one. Okay, second is 3209. Okay, Lord Voldemort is getting the same answer for both. 3209 for the second question. Okay, don't worry, we will check. Okay, let's see. So if all the digits are arranged in the increasing order within the number, then second digit of which of the following will be the highest? So you can see what we have to do. We have to arrange the digits within the number in the increasing order. So you can see this will be 2399, this will be 3389, this will be 3458. Okay, this will be your 023 and 9, and this one will be 2388. So kiska hai second digit of which is highest? You can see 3458. This is the one that is having the highest one. So that means 3584, right? So 3584 is absolutely right here. तो ये तो बिल्कुल सही है. Second क्या कह रहा है? If the first digit is removed from all the numbers, so you can see we will have 992, 839, 584, 209 and 828. Okay. First digit is removed from all the numbers, and the newly formed numbers, the first digit is interchanged with second digit. Which of the following will be the lowest? So you can see they have to be interchanged here. So जिसका भी second digit सबसे lowest है ना, that will be the answer. You can see that 029, 209 will be written as 029. So this one will be the lowest here, right? So you can see it has to be 3209. So 3209 is absolutely right here. Are we clear, everybody? Please let me know if we have any doubts in here. Everyone clear? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. ठीक है, कल बहुत कम लोगों ने होमवर्क का आंसर दिया था. वाई? Yesterday's answer was 28. Most of you gave the right answers, बट सम ऑफ यू डिड नॉट आंसर, सम ऑफ यू डिड नॉट अटेम्प्ट इट, तो आंसर जरूर करना, ठीक है। इसका आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करना है दैट व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस दैट यू गेट फॉर दीज पीपल, right? So I hope you guys enjoying this particular series of questions on a daily basis. We are having this continuous series every day at 4 p.m. So do not forget to tune in every day at 4 p.m. for these reasoning questions, right? Will be helpful for your upcoming examination. Now guys, a very important announcement that right now we are having a very good discount on every combo plan. Banking Super Elite, which gives you the combination of your live classes plus mocks, is the best one that we have on the platform, right? This gives you the access to all the courses plus all the mocks, tests, and the topic wise tests, the sectional tests, everything plus LPS, right? So this is the best combo plan that we have on Oliveboard. You can use the coupon code Nikita to get an instant discount of 40% right now. So abhi sale chal raha hai, make use of this opportunity, right? So I hope you are enjoying this one. कल इट वॉज फ्राइडे, यस मैम, इसका पीडीएफ कहाँ मिलेगा हेमंत? यहाँ पर नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी मिल जाएगा. सो टुमारो चेक इट आउट, इट विल बी देयर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एज वेल एज आई विल पोस्ट इट इन द ग्रुप, राइट? सो ऑल दोज हु हैव नॉट जॉइन्ड द ग्रुप एज ऑफ येट, प्लीज जॉइन इट. इट इज रीजनिंग बाय निकिता, ओके, रीजनिंग by Nikita. So for all the PDFs of these sessions, join this particular group. Also we are having daily quiz, right? Daily quiz we have at 8:30. So daily quiz हो रहा है, बहुत कम बच्चे participate कर रहे हैं. Every day we are having a daily quiz at 8:30 p.m. So please join that. It will be very, very beneficial. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoyed this particular session. In case you have doubts, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you out with it. Now if you like the session, please push the like button, and also if you have not subscribed to the channel as of yet, do subscribe. ठीक है? मैम होमवर्क करने वालों का नेम मेंशन करा कीजिए, जस्ट लाइक आदित्य सर. ठीक है अभिषेक, कल से बिल्कुल मैं कर दूंगी, ठीक है, डोंट वरी. सो वी विल बी मेंशनिंग द नेम्स ऑफ द पीपल एज वेल हु मेंशन द आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. तो पहले सबसे पहले हम होमवर्क वालों का ही आंसर नाम देखेंगे, ठीक है. टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल बी नेमिंग द पीपल देयर. So thank you so much guys. I'll see you again with another session. I hope you are enjoying this particular series. So thank you guys. Please take care. Stay safe. Have a great day. Thank you.